Dear friends, today we are going to learn some names of vegetables with their Urdu translation. Are you ready for that? Let's get started. Potato, aloo. Potato, aloo. Potato, aloo. Beetroot, chukandar. Beetroot, chukandar. Beetroot, chukandar. Brinjal, bangan. Brinjal, bangan. Brinjal, bangan. Capsicum, shimla mirch. Capsicum, shimla mirch. Capsicum, shimla mirch. Carrot, gajar. Carrot, gajar. Carrot, gajar. Ladyfinger, bhindi. Ladyfinger, bhindi. Ladyfinger, bhindi. Onion, प्याज. Onion, प्याज. Onion, प्याज. Pumpkin, कद्दू. Pumpkin, कद्दू. Pumpkin, कद्दू. Radish, मूली. Radish, मूली. Radish, मूली. Tomato, टमाटर. Tomato, टमाटर. Tomato, टमाटर. Dear friends, hope you have learnt all these names. Let's revise once again. Potato, aloo. Beetroot, chukandar. Brinjal, bangan. Capsicum, shimla mirch. Carrot, gajar. Ladyfinger, bhindi. Onion, प्याज. Pumpkin, कद्दू. Radish, मूली. Tomato, टमाटर. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Hello, come on friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, Be Tutoring Center, and press the bell icon.